हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, हम आपके लिए अच्छे से अच्छे वीडियोस ला रहे हैं। अगर आप हेडफोन लगा के हमारे वीडियोस आखिर तक देखते हो और बार बार देखते हो तो आपकी अच्छी लर्निंग होगी और आपके अच्छे स्कोर्स यानी कि मार्क्स आएंगे। आप टॉपर स्टूडेंट बन जाओगे क्योंकि प्रैक्टिस मेक्स मैन परफेक्ट। हम आपके लिए मेहनत से वीडियो बनाते हैं। सिर्फ हमारे लिए एक काम करो, हमारे वीडियोस को लाइक करो, चैनल सब्सक्राइब करो और सबसे महत्वपूर्ण बात बेल आइकॉन प्रेस करना ना भूलो, ताकि जब भी हम नया वीडियो बनाएंगे या कोई नया अपडेट आपके लिए होगा तो तुरंत आपको मिल जाएगा। हमारे वीडियोस को शेयर करना ना भूलो। आपकी पढ़ाई के लिए हमने एक खास ऐप बनाया है। इसमें आपके लिए होंगे क्वेश्चन आंसर्स, क्वेश्चन पेपर्स भी आपको मिलेंगे इसमें। और इसमें सबसे अच्छी बात जो कि एमसीक्यू टाइप्स क्वेश्चंस यानी कि क्विज टाइप क्वेश्चंस होंगे। आप वहाँ पे टेस्ट दे सकते हैं और आपके तुरंत मार्क्स आपको मिलेंगे। आपका परफॉर्मेंस आप खुद चेक कर सकते हैं। ये ऐप आपको गूगल प्ले स्टोर पे मिलेगा। सिर्फ आपको सर्च करना है माई बेस्ट गुरु नाम से। थैंक यू एंड बेस्ट लक फॉर योर स्टडी।
Chapter number 2, quadratic equations. From that, practice set 2.1. Question number 1. Write any two quadratic equations. So we know that quadratic means the highest power of the variable should be 2. So the solution is x square plus 5x minus 4 is equals to 0. And second one, 2x square minus 7x plus 6 is equal to 0. Question number 2. Decide which of the following are quadratic equations. Question number 1. X square plus 5x minus 2 is equal to 0. So the solution is, in the equation x square plus 5x minus 2 is equal to 0, x is the only variable and maximum index of the variable is 2. So x square plus 5x minus 2 is equal to 0 is a quadratic equation. Second one, y square is equal to 5y minus 10. So the solution is, standard form of equation is y square minus 5y plus 10 is equal to 0. Just take this 5y and minus 10 to the RHS side. So it is the standard form. In the equation y square minus 5y plus 10 is equal to 0, y is the only variable and maximum index of the variable is 2. Therefore, y square minus 5y plus 10 is equal to 0 is quadratic equation. Third, y square plus 1 upon y is equal to 2. So the solution is, in the equation y square plus 1 upon y is equal to 2, degree of the 1 upon y is minus 1. As you take this y to the numerator side, so the power should be minus. So y square plus 1 upon y is equal to 2 is not a quadratic equation. Now fourth one, x plus 1 upon x is equal to minus 2. So the solution is 1 x plus 1 upon x is equal to minus 2. So multiplying each term by x, we get, see, x multiply with x plus 1 upon x multiply by x is equal to minus 2 multiplied by x. So you will get x square plus 1 is equal to minus 2x. So this x will be cut with this x and you will get it as a 1. Now x square, this minus 2x, it will become plus 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. So x square plus 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. So here x is the only variable and maximum index of the variable is 2. Therefore, it is a quadratic equation. Question number 5. M plus 2 in another bracket m minus 5 is equal to 0. Now the solution is, see, as we have to multiply two brackets, so we will do, take first term from the first bracket outside, second bracket as it is. Now plus 2 as it is and then second bracket as it is. Now second term from the first bracket. So now we'll multiply this. So m multiply with m is m multiply with m minus as it is m multiply with 5 plus m multiply with 2 minus m multiply with 5. So it is m multiply with m is m square minus 5m plus 2m minus 10 is equal to 0. Therefore, C m square as it is minus 5m plus 2m is equals to minus 3m minus 10 as it is. So here m is only variable and maximum index of variable is 2. So it is a quadratic equation. Now question number 6. M cube plus 3m square minus 2 is equal to 3m cube. So the solution is m cube minus 3m square plus 3m square minus 2 is equal to 0. So minus 2m cube minus 3m cube is minus 2m cube plus 3m square as it is minus 2. Here maximum index of variable is 3. Therefore, it is not a quadratic equation. Question number 3. Write the following equations in the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Then write the values of a, b, c for each equation. So the question first from this is 2y is equal to 10 minus y square. So the solution is standard form of equation is y square plus 2y minus 10 is equal to 0. What we do is we just take this y square first as we have ax square there. So y square plus 2y as it is, this plus 10 it will become minus 10. Now the values of a, b, c are as follows. So a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2 and c is equal to minus 10. See here it is a x square, here we have variable y square. So a x square means it is a, this part is a, this coefficient is a. Nothing is there means 1. Now here it is b, that is 2. bx, here we have variable y and constant number is c. So it is minus 10. Now question number 2. X minus 1 whole square is equal to 2x plus 3. Now the solution is x minus 1 whole square is equal to 2x plus 3. Therefore, x minus 1 whole square, we will expand this first. It is in the form of a minus b whole square. So it is a square minus 2ab plus b square. So it is x square minus 2x plus 1 is equal to 2x plus 3. So x square minus 2x, this plus 2x it will become minus 2x to RHS side plus 1. This plus 3 it will become minus 3 is equal to 0. So x square, this minus 2x it will be minus 4x. Minus minus it will become plus and sign of greater number. So as both are equal, so you have to give the sign 0. 1 minus 3 is minus 2 is equal to 0. So the values of a, b, c are as follows. So a is 1, b is minus 4 and c is minus 2. As we compare this with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So a is 1, b is this minus 4 and c is minus 2. Question number 3. X square plus 5x is equal to minus in bracket 3 minus x. So the solution is x square plus 5x is equal to minus in bracket 3 minus x. Now we will multiply that. So x square as it is plus 5x as it is equal to, we will multiply this bracket with this minus sign. So plus 3 it will be minus 3a, 3 minus minus it will become plus, so it is plus x. So x square plus 5x, this minus x it will become plus, will become minus. Now this minus 3 it will become plus 3 to the RHS side. Now x square plus 5x minus x is 4x plus 3, as 5 minus 1 is 4. So the values of a, b, c are as follows. A is equal to 1, b is equal to 4 and c is equal to 3. As we compare this equation with ax square plus bx plus c, then you will get the values of a, b and c. Now sum number 4. 3m square is equal to 2m square minus 9. So the solution is 3m square is equal to 2m square minus 9. Therefore 3m square, this plus 2m it will become minus 2m to RHS side. This plus 9, this will be plus 9 as it is minus to the RHS side. Therefore 3m square minus 2m square is m square. we don't have the value of a single m here, so we are writing here 0m, as we want this equation in the standard form. Plus 9 as it is equal to 0. So the values of a, b, c are as follows. So we will compare this with ax square plus bx plus c. Then you will get a is equal to 1, b is equal to 0 and c is equal to 9. Now question number 5. P in bracket 3 plus 6p is equal to minus 5. So the solution is p in bracket 3 plus 6p is equal to minus 5. Now we will multiply this bracket with p. So 3 multiply with p plus, as it is, p multiply with 6p is equal to minus 5. Therefore 3 multiply with p is 3p, 6 as it is p with p, when we multiply p with p, then we will get p square is equal to minus 5. Therefore 6p square plus 3p, this minus 5 it will become plus 5 is equal to 0. Now we will compare this equation with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Then you will get the values of a as 6, b as 3 and c as 5. Now question number 6. X square minus 9 is equal to 13. So the solution is x square minus 9 is equal to 13. Therefore, this 13 is in the addition to this side. It is plus. So from coming this to the RHS side, it will be minus. So it is x square minus 9 plus will become minus 13 is equal to 0. Therefore, x square, as we have to write it down in the standard form, so we are writing here x. Minus 9 minus 13 is minus 22. So, see, we will compare this with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Then you will get the values of a, b and c. So, a is 1, b is 0 and c is minus 22. Question number 4. Determine whether the values given against each of the quadratic equation are the roots of equation. From that, question number first, x square plus 4x minus 5 is equal to 0. And the values of x are 1 and minus 1. So the solution is x square plus 4x minus 5 is equal to 0. So put x equal to 1 in the polynomial x square plus 4x minus 5. So x square plus 4x minus 5 is equal to, on the place of this x we will put 1. So it is 1 square plus 4 multiplied by 1 minus 5. So 1 square is 1, 4 multiplied with 1 is 4 minus 5. So it is equals to 5 minus 5. As we add 1 plus 4 it is 5 minus 5. So it is 0. Therefore x is equal to 1 is the root of the equation. When we get the value is 0, then that is the root. Now put x is equal to minus 1 in the polynomial x square plus 4x minus 5. Therefore, x square plus 4x minus 5 is equal to minus 1 whole square plus 4 multiplied by minus 1 and minus 5. So, the square of minus 1 is 1. 4 multiplied with 1 is 4 plus minus it will become minus and minus 5. So, it is equal to 1 minus 4 minus 5 is minus 9 and the last answer is minus 8. But this minus 8 is not equals to 0. So, x is equal to minus 1 is not a root of equation. Question number 2, 2m square minus 5m is equal to 0. And the values of m are m is equal to 2 and 5 divided by 2. So, the solution is 2m square minus 5m is equal to 0. So, put m is equal to 2 in the polynomial 2m square minus 5m. Now 2m square minus 5m is equal to, on the place of this m we will put 2. So it is 2 in bracket 2 square minus 5 in multiplied by 2. So 2 multiplied by 2 square is 4 minus 5 multiplied by 2 is 10. Now 2 multiplied by 4 is 8 minus 10. So it is equal to minus 2. Now here minus 2 is not equals to 0. So m is equal to 2 is not a root of equation. Now put m is equal to 5 divided by 2 in the polynomial 2m square minus 5m. Therefore, 2m square minus 5m is equal to 2 in bracket 5 divided by 2 whole square minus 5 multiplied by 5 divided by 2. So 2 multiply by 5 square is 25, 2 square is 4. So it is 25 divided by 4 minus 25 divided by 2, as 5 multiplied by 5 is 25 and 2 as it is. So it is equal to 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So it is 25 divided by 2 minus 25 divided by 2. So it is equal to 25 divided by 2 minus 25 divided by 2 is 0. Therefore, m is equal to 5 divided by 2 is a root of the equation. Now question number 5. Find k if x equal to 3 is a root of equation kx square minus 10x plus 3 is equal to 0. As we have given the value of x is equal to 3, so put the value of this x in this given quadratic equation. So 1 of the root of equation kx square minus 10x plus 3 equal to 0 is 3. So put x equal to 3 in the given equation. So our equation is kx square minus 10x plus 3 is equal to 0. So on the place of this x you have to put 3. So k in bracket 3 square minus 10. The value of x is 3 plus 3 is equal to 0. So 3 square is 9, multiply by k it is 9k minus 10 multiply by 3 is 30 plus 3 is equal to 0. So 9k minus 30 plus 3 is minus 27 is equal to 0. Now 9k is equal to 27. So the value of k is equal to 27 divided by 9, and as we cut this 9 ones are 9 and 9 threes are 27. So we will get the value of k is equal to 3. So the value of k is 3. Question number 6. 1 of the root of equation 5m square plus 2m plus k is equal to 0 is minus 7 divided by 5. Complete the following activity to find the value of k. So we have to just fill in the blanks in this. So dash is a root of quadratic equation 5m square plus 2m plus k is equal to 0. Therefore put m is equal to in the equation. Now 5 in bracket whole square plus 2 in multiplied by particular number plus k is equal to 0. So say the values you have to put here. Plus k is equal to 0. Plus k is equal to 0 and we will get the value of k. Now here the first root is minus 7 divided by 5. Second, again we have to put m is equal to minus 7 upon 5. So as it is minus 7 upon 5 whole square multiply by minus 7 upon 5 whole plus k. So it is when you do the calculation for this, you will get 245 divided by 25 plus minus 14 divided by 5 plus k. So when you add these two, you will get it as a 7. 7 plus k is equal to 0. So the value of k is minus 7. Now practice set 2.2 from that question number first. Solve the following quadratic equations by factorization. So first question is x square minus 15x plus 54 is equal to 0. Now solution for this is, so x square minus 15x plus 54 is equal to 0. Therefore, now what you have to do? Here you have nothing is there means coefficient 1. Now we have to take this number to this side, that is 54. So it is 54. Now you have to find out the factors like that. The multiplication should be 54 and its subtraction is as a plus sign. So its addition is. So its addition is minus 15. So think about this. Then you will get the values are 9. 9 multiplied by 6 is 54. And when you are putting here minus minus sign, minus minus, you will get it adds minus minus, it will become plus is 15, sign of the number is 15. Just on the place of this minus 15, you have to put these numbers minus 9 and minus 6. So x square minus 6x minus 9x plus 54 equal to 0. So the next part is just take the things common. X square minus 6x is equal to, in this is equal to c. We are taking x as a common. So what is remaining in the bracket? X minus. So x is outside, 6 is here. minus 9, we are taking minus 9 common from the second group. So it is minus 9 outside, x as it is. So from here 9, 6 are 54. We are taking 9 outside, so here it is 6. So in bracket x minus 6 is equal to 0. So as we got the same bracket here, x minus 6, x minus 6. Write down it at once and remaining things in the second bracket as x minus 9 is equal to 0. Therefore, x minus 6 is equal to 0, or you can write down x minus 9 is equal to 0. As this is quadratic equation, so you have two roots here. Therefore, x is equal to 6 is the answer, or x is equal to 9 is the answer. Therefore, 6 and 9 are the roots of given quadratic equation. Now, second equation is x square minus x minus 20 is equal to 0. So, the solution for this is x square minus x minus 20 is equal to 0. Therefore, now what you have to do, again same thing, take a single number to this side, it is minus 20. So, this is minus 20. Now you have to find out the factors like that. The multiplication should be 20 and subtraction, as you have your minus sign. So the subtraction should be, here it is minus 1. So 5 4s are 5 4s are 20 is there. Okay, 5 4s are 20. So it should be plus and minus. So here it should be minus and plus. When you subtract this, you will get minus 1. Just on the place of this minus x, you have to put minus 5x and plus 4x. So therefore you have x square minus 5x plus 4x minus 20 is equal to 0. Now make a group of 2. Then you will get x square minus 5x is a group 1 and 4x minus 20 is a group 2. Now take x common from these two, you will get x minus 5, and take 4 common, then you will get a same group as x minus 5 is equal to 0. Now here again same bracket, write down it at once, that is x minus 5, and remaining things on the in the second bracket, that is x plus 4 is equal to 0. Therefore x minus 5 is equal to 0, or x plus 4 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 5, or x is equal to minus 4. So 5 and minus 4 are the roots of given quadratic equations. Question number 3, 2y square plus 27y plus 13 is equal to 0. Now the solution is 2y square plus 27y plus 13 is equal to 0. Therefore, we have to take this again C. Now here in the first two sums we have 1 is the coefficient of your y square. So it is, now here it is 2. So you have to take this as 2 multiplied by 13 is equals to what? It is 26. So it is 26. So you have to find out the factors of these 26 as its addition should be 27. Now we have the number 26 ones are 26. 26 ones are 26. So here just on the place of this 27y, you have to put this 26y and y. Now 2y square plus 26y plus y. So as this is 26y plus y plus 13 is equal to 0. Now here you have to make a group of 2. So groups are 2y square plus 26y plus y plus 13 is equal to 0. Therefore, take 2y common from first group. So you will get y plus 13 and plus 1 from this, so you will get y plus 13 is equal to 0. Now see, we have a same bracket, write it down at once, so it is y plus 13, and in another bracket remaining things, remaining numbers, so it is 2y plus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore y plus 13 is equal to 0, or 2y plus 1 is equal to 0. So the value of y is equal to minus 13, or 2y is equal to minus 1 and y is equal to minus 1 divided by 2. Therefore 13 and minus 1 by 2 are the roots of given quadratic equation. Therefore now next sum, sum number 4. 5m square is equal to 22m plus 15. So the solution is, we will just convert this into the standard form. So the standard form is ax square plus bx plus c. Just take these numbers to the RHS side. So you have 5m square minus 22m minus 15 is equal to 0. Therefore, the next step is this one. Now plus, again check whether the coefficient of your m square or whatever the variable is there, so it is 1 or it is rather than 1, so it is 5. So you have to take here it is as 5 multiplied by minus 15. So 5 multiplied by minus 15 is what? 75. So minus 75 is the answer for this. Okay, so just you have to take the two numbers like that. Its multiplication should be minus 75 and its subtraction should be minus 22. So it is 25 threes are 75, and if you do the subtraction here, so it should be minus and this should be plus. It is plus. So we just put the value on this minus 22m on the place of this. So minus 25m plus 3m minus 15 is equal to 0. So the last answer is 5m square minus 25m plus 3m minus 15 is equal to 0. Now just make a group of 2. So 5m square minus 25m, this is the first group, and 3m minus 15, it is second group. Therefore, now from these two we will take 5m as a common. So 5m, so what things are remaining in the bracket? That is m minus 5. So 5m outside, m here, 5m outside, again single 5 is there. Plus if you take 3 common from another group, so you will have m minus 5 in bracket is equal to 0. Therefore m minus 5 in bracket 5m plus 3. So as we are writing same bracket at once, so it is m minus 5 and 5m plus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore m minus 5 is equal to 0, or 5m plus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore m is equal to 5, or 5m is equal to minus 3 and m is equal to minus 3 upon 5. Therefore 5 and minus 3 upon 5 are the roots of given quadratic equation. Question number 5. 2x square minus 2x plus 1 upon 2 is equal to 0. Now here the solution is, so 2x square minus 2x plus 1 upon 2 is equal to 0 is the equation. Now again check whether the coefficient of your x square is 1 or another rather than 1. So it is 2. So here 2 multiplied by constant number, it is 1 upon 2. So 2 multiplied by 1 by 2 is equals to 1. Now find out the factors of these 1 like that. The answer multiplication should be 1 and its addition should be minus 2. So 1s are 1. It is minus minus. So it is equal to 2x square. Again on the place of this minus 2x, just put this with this number. So it is minus x plus 1 upon 2 as it is. Now make a group of 2. So it is 2x square minus x, and another group is x plus 1 upon 2 is equal to 0. Therefore take x common from this. So x in bracket you got 2x minus 1. Now I'm taking minus 1 by 2 common from another group. So it is, what is the thing remain from this side? It is 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore, same bracket 1, we got same bracket as 2x minus 1 and here 2x minus 1. Another bracket x minus 1 upon 2 is equal to 0. Therefore, 2x minus 1 is equal to 0 or x minus 1 upon 2 is equal to 0. Therefore, 2x is equal to 1 or x is equal to 1 upon 2. Therefore, x is equal to 1 divided by 2 or for this, and 1 by 2 and 1 by 2 are the roots of given quadratic equation. Now question number 6. 6x minus 2 upon x is equal to 1. Now the solution for this is, the given quadratic equation is 6x minus 2 upon x is equal to 1. So multiplying each term by x, we get, when you multiply each term by x, so 6 multiplied with x, 6x multiplied by x minus 2 by x multiplied by x is equal to 1 multiplied by x. So you have 6x square. This x and this x will get cancelled. So it is, the remaining thing is minus 2 is equal to x. Therefore, 6x square, we will just take it in the standard form. So 6x square minus x, this minus 2 is equal to 0. Now again same thing, we have to factorize this. Take this 6 out, 6 multiply by minus 2. 6 multiplied by minus 2 is minus 12. Now you have to find out the factors of these minus 12 as the multiplication should be minus 12 and its subtraction should be 1. So again 4 3s are 12 and here minus plus. So just on the place of this minus x, put these values. So it is 6x square minus 4x plus 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. Now make a group of 2 from this and take the common thing. So here we are from first group we are getting 2x as a common. So in bracket 3x minus 2 plus 1 common, in bracket 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. Now same bracket one time, that is 3x minus 2, and remaining numbers are in the second bracket, that is 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. So 3x minus 2 is equal to 0 or 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore, the values of x are 3x is equal to 2 or 2x is equal to minus 1. Therefore, the value of x is 2 divided by 3 or x is equal to minus 1 divided by 2. Therefore, 2 by 3 and minus 1 by 2 are the roots of given quadratic equation. Now question number 7. Root 2x square plus 7x plus 5 root 2 is equal to 0. To solve this quadratic equation by factorization, complete the following activity. So you have to just fill in the blanks for this. You have to just fill this activity. Okay, now see root 2, again same thing, root 2 multiplied by 5 root 2, it is 5 multiplied by 2, that is 10. Okay, so when you have this 10, find out the factors of these 10 as you will get this addition should be 7. So 5 2s are 7 and sign should be plus plus. So just on the place of this 7 you have to put 5 and 2. So it is 5x plus 2x. Now just make a group. After making the group, take x common. What is the thing remaining in the bracket? Root 2x plus 5. As you are taking 2 common from these two, x common from these two, so you will have root 2 multiplied by x plus 5 plus root. Now here from these two you have to take root 2 common. You will get root 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. So same bracket one time, that is root 2x plus 5. Another bracket, that is x plus root 2 is equal to 0. So root 2x plus 5 is equal to 0 or next x plus root 2 is equal to 0. So the value of x is here minus 2 upon root 2 or here you got the value of x as minus root 2. Therefore 5 divided by root 2 and root 2 are the roots of equation. Sum number 8, 3x square minus 2 root 6x plus 2 is equal to 0. So 3x square minus root 2 root 6x plus 2 is equal to 0. Now again, by using the factorization, so we have to take this a and c. So 3 multiplied by 2, this 3 and this 2 will be 6. So find out the factors of these 6 adds. You will get multiplication 6 and addition should be minus 2 root 6. This is quite looking different but difficult and different also. So it is equals to C. 6 root 6 multiplied by root 6 is equal to 6. Its multiplication is 6, and if you are putting here minus sign, then you will get minus 2 root 6. So here on the place of this minus 2 root 6, put minus root 6 and minus root 6. So you got the next step as 3x square minus root 6x minus root 6x plus 2 is equal to 0. Now make a group of 2. After making the group, find out the common number. So root 3x, I am taking root 3x as a common. So in bracket I got root 3x minus root 2. Now from this another bracket, another group, I am taking common minus root 2. So what is remaining in the bracket? Root 3x minus root 2 is equal to 0. See, as, don't get confused here. Here I am taking root 3 common. So root 3 means here you have root 3 and root 3. Root 3 is 3. Okay, and here you have root 3 multiplied by root 2 is root 6. That's why we take here minus root 3 common. So minus root 3x out and 1 root 3 is remaining. So root 3x here. From here root 3 out and minus root 2 as it is. And same thing from the another bracket. Now write down same bracket at once. Okay, so it is root 3x minus root 2. It is your first bracket, and second remaining things in the second, that is root 3x minus root 2 is equal to 0. Now you have root 3x minus root 2 is equal to 0 and root 3x minus root 2 is equals to 0. So find out the value of x from this. Root 3x is equal to root 2 or root 3x is equal to root 2. So here the value of x is under root 2 divided by under root 3 or again under root 2 divided by under root 3. Therefore, under root 2 divided by under root 3 and under root 2 divided by under root 3 are the roots of given quadratic equation. Now sum number 9 is 2m in bracket m minus 24 is equal to 50. So 2m solution is 2m in bracket m minus 24 is equal to 50. Therefore, just multiply this bracket by 2m. You will get 2m multiplied by m minus 2m multiplied by 24 is equal to 50. So it is equals to 2m multiplied by m is 2m square minus 224 multiplied by 2m is 48m is equal to 50. Therefore, 2m square minus 48m minus 50 is equal to 0. Now again same thing, factorization, minus 50 multiplied by minus 50 multiplied by 2 minus 50 multiplied by 2 is minus 100. Okay, so find out the factors of these 100 as multiplication should be 100 and its subtraction should be 48. So 52 is 100. It's very easy. 52 is 100. So it is equals to answer is here. Sign is minus. So to the greater number you have to use sign minus. Just on the place of this minus 48 you have to put that 2m square, again minus 50m plus 2m minus 50 is equal to 0. Make a group of 2. After making the groups, you have to take the things common. Now from here I am taking 2m common. So when 2m is out, single m is in, minus 2m is outside, and when 2 is going outside, it is 25. Next, 2 in bracket, when I took 2 common from this group, you will get m minus 25 is equal to 0. Now same bracket at 1, m minus 25 remaining things in the second bracket, 2m plus 2 is equal to 0. Now m minus 25 is equal to 0 or 2m plus 2 is equal to 0. So m is equal to 25 or 2m is equal to 2 minus 2 here. Therefore m is equal to 25, or for another value of m is equal to minus 2 divided by 2 is minus 1. Therefore 25 and minus 1 are the roots of given quadratic equation. Question number 10. 25m square is equal to 9. So the solution is 25m square. This 9 is in plus sign, have plus sign. So from coming to this side, it will be minus is equal to 0. Therefore, now we are taking this as 5m whole square minus 9. The square root of 9 is 3. So it is 3 square is equal to 0. As we know, a square minus b square is equal to a plus b, and in another bracket a minus b is the expansion for this. So here you have same 5m minus 3 in another bracket 5m plus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore you got the factors for this. So 5m minus 3 is equal to 0 or 5m plus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore 5m is equal to 3 or 5m is equal to minus 3. So the value of m is equal to 3 upon 5 or the value of m is equal to minus 3 upon 5. So 3 by 5 and minus 3 by 5 are the roots of given quadratic equation. Now sum number 11. 7m square minus is equal to 21m. Solution is 7m square. This will be minus to this side, so it is minus 21m is equal to 0. Now here 7m, take 7m common, you will get in bracket m minus 3 is equal to 0. So 7m is equal to 0 or m minus 3 is equal to 0. So m is equal to 0 upon 7, that is 0, or m is equal to 3. So this is minus, from going that side that will be plus. So 0 and 3 are the roots of given quadratic equation. Sum number 12. M square minus 11 is equal to 0. So the solution is m square minus 11 is equal to 0. Now m square as it is. Now the square root of 11 is under root of 11. Under root 11 whole square is equal to 0. As we know the formula, a square minus b square is equal to a plus b in another bracket a minus b. So here you have a as m, so it is m minus under root of 11, and in another bracket m plus under root of 11 is equal to 0. So m minus under root of 11 is equal to 0 or m plus under root of 11 is equal to 0. Therefore m is equal to under root of 11 or m is equal to minus under root of 11. So the solution is under root of 11 and minus under root of 11 are the roots of given quadratic.
मित्रांनो, आम्ही आपल्यासाठी चांगले व्हिडिओज बनवत आहोत. जर तुम्ही आमचा चॅनल सबस्क्राईब कराल, आमचे व्हिडिओज इतरांना शेअर कराल, व्हिडिओजवर लाईक व कमेंट कराल, तर आम्ही तुमच्यासाठी जास्तीत जास्त व्हिडिओज घेऊन येऊ. आमचा माय बेस्ट गुरु चॅनल सबस्क्राईब बटनवर क्लिक करून सबस्क्राईब करा.